Allow me to re-educate this class and at the same time rededicate my craft. I was born by the projects in the ghetto town, and just like them projects, it seems that I'm still around. You see, I've been up and I've been down. In fact, I've been so low that there were times in my life where I really did not know. So then I was told to let go and let God, although I do know that times do get hard and emotions do get scarred. My mother shot heroin in her vein, and my father took one in her brain, all in the name of trying to save me from pain, not knowing that I would be delivered to shame. Let us pray. Our Father who art in the slums, please take away these drugs and guns so that my daughters and sons can rise up and greet the sun with love in their heart instead of having to walk out into these streets and be torn apart. My brothers and sisters and I were born apart but sworn to never be apart. From the start, I saw things a child should never see. I've been places a child should never be. I ate things that a child should never want to eat. But thanks to poverty and inner city streets, I had to do what I had to do just to be free. And what is free? Is it part of the dome? Is it something that says leave me the fuck alone? Because I'm stressed out on a regular basis when people are pointing at me and looking in my face with accusations and situations and no participations because communication is cut short. My life has been played like a sport. Every day I gotta answer to someone else because someone else is in charge of my life. And I fucked up and married this woman and made her my wife. The best thing that came out of that was my little girl. Daddy love you, doodle. You are his world. Allow me to re-educate this class. Yet at the same time, rededicate my craft. I was born by the projects in the ghetto town. And just like them projects, niggas, I'm still around.